Hello my YouTube friends. In today's video I will show you which green vegetables, squashes and cucumbers I will grow again this year and which will be my new trials. Last year I grew this lettuce and I really like it. It was very crispy, very fresh taste. I also grew some other lettuces. Let me show you. This year, in addition to my old varieties, I will grow these two new varieties. Lettuce Merlot. And the description says that this is the darkest red lettuce in existence. So I really would like to give it a try. And I believe that I will enjoy this lettuce little gem because of this tiny but very tight head. The description says very small apple green romaine type heads, excellent flavor, superb heat tolerance, which is very important for my zone where summers are very humid. So I hope to grow at least 5-6 varieties of lettuce this year. Last year I grew this variety of MIZUNA. This is MIZUNA, Japanese mustard greens or spider mustard. It tastes peppery like arugula and slightly bitter like frisee, but it's mild enough to fully enjoy it. This year, in addition to the old variety, I will be trying these two new varieties, early and pink. This pink MIZUNA is also from Japan. And they say the stems of this variety are a purple pink hue, which indicates a high level of antioxidants. This is celery, Chinese pink, and this is the variety that is valued for their stems, not roots. I have one in the ground uncovered and one in my cold frame. Let me show you. I will see if this shiso self-seeded, because they say it's a great self-seeder. If not, I will of course put some seeds in the soil because I really like this new green vegetable that I grew last year. This is shiso, and it is the Japanese name for an annual herb called perilla. It belongs to the mint family. The plant has slightly pricking texture and pointy, jagged edges. Shiso has a unique and very vibrant taste. I also grew this Green Mountain winter celtuce. I really like this vegetable, so I will grow it again this year. Exactly the same variety. This is celtuce, a Japanese green vegetable. When it's young, I use leaves for salads. But the most prized part are these stalks. This one is a completely new green vegetable that I will grow this year, and I don't even know how to correctly pronounce its name, but they claim it's very tasty. They say a phenomenally tasty, stunning new superfood with 4 times as much vitamin A as carrots, and it's from Brassica family, so it's a relative of cabbages. I am very excited about this butterfly pea, and it's famous not only for the peas part, as all peas, but for its flowers, because the flowers are used for dyes, but mostly to flavor and color the drinks. So I really would like to try these flowers, and they say they're delicious. I also grow many varieties of cucumbers. Last year I tried Armenian yard-long cucumber, really like its taste and the texture, and it's huge. I also tried these funny tiny vegetables. They are not real cucumbers, but they taste like little cucumbers and very fun to grow. I will grow them again. This variety of cucumbers I never tried before, so I'm excited to try this China Jade cucumber. China Jade cucumber is a stunning jade-colored, fresh and unmatched sweet flavor. Make this a superb snacking cucumber. And everything else that they say about this cucumber sounds amazing, so I will try, definitely. I also grew some varieties of summer and winter squash. My favorite last year was buttercup squash, but this year I'm going to try these 2 new varieties. I will grow kabocha squash. It's a very popular variety, but I never grew it before. But this one, I have never seen something like this that is edible. I saw some ornamental squashes like this. It's North American variety, stunning, round to bell-shaped terracotta, warted, very attractive variety. And they say it's delicious, so I'm trying it this year. So I grew many vegetables last year, and I had many videos on harvesting from my garden and cooking with these vegetables. You can see the list of videos below this video. This year I will try many new varieties. So I invite you to watch my future videos and see how these new exciting vegetables grow in my garden and what I cook with them.